Hello viewers, so welcome once again to Frequency Online Math. So we are going to use Laplace transform to solve this first order differential equation. So y prime minus 3y is equal to 5. Why is it first order? Because we are having what? The highest power of y to be what? 1. So we rewrite the question minus 3y is equals to 5. Now, we are given initial condition y of 0 is equals to what? 1. So, in order to solve this, you take the Laplace transform of each and every variable here or number. You take the Laplace transform of it. So, it will be Laplace transform of y prime. Remember, we solved it in our initial video. So, it will now be what? S of what? Y of what? S minus y of what? 0. That's the Laplace transform of what? Y prime. Then we take Laplace transform of y. It will give us what? Y of what? S. Are you there? So we take the Laplace transform of 5, which is constant. Taking Laplace transform of constant is that constant over S. So after taking all these things, we plug it in what? In this equation, but we have our initial what condition. They said y of 0 is what? 1. So we are going to have, let's plug it here. Y prime is what? S y of s minus y of 0, which is now what? 1. Okay, let me plug y of 0 first, then minus 3, then times y of s, y sub s is equals to 5 all over s. Now let's plug the initial condition. So we have s y of what? S minus y of 0 is what? 1 minus 1 minus 3, opening this will be minus 3 y of what? Y sub s is equals to 5 all over s. Can you see it from there? So we are going to have s y sub what? S minus 3y sub what? S is equals to 5 over s. This one coming over to be plus 1 over 1. Can you still see the down? Okay, let me move over to this side. So we are going to have, you can factorize here. What is common? Y sub what? S. Then we have s minus 3. Close it is equals to, the LCM here is what? Let's do butterfly. It will be 5 plus s all over s. So we are looking for what? Let's make y sub s the subject of the word formula. So we are going to divide both sides by what? S minus 3. S minus 3. When we divide, y sub s will give us what? 5 plus s all over s times 1 all over s minus what? 3. Because when fraction changes to multiplication, for example, if you have 5 over 2 over 3 over 2, this thing simply means 5 over 2 divided by 3 over what? 2. So it's what? 5 over 2 times 2 over what? 3. So that's it. So that is what we did. So we are going to have y sub s is equals to 5 plus s all over s minus 3. So this is what? A single word fraction. So we are going to use what? Partial fraction to what? Decompose this. So we are going to have a over s plus b all over s minus 3. So the easiest method of this partial fraction I will show you now. Just multiply this and this. You get a s minus 3 plus this times this will be times what? S is equals to our numerator 5 plus 2. I don't want to waste time in this video. So the easiest method to multiply this, set s to be equals to what? 0. Set this one to be equals to 0. So when s is equals to 0, when s is equals to 0, we are going to solve for what? A. Anywhere you see what? S, you put what? 0. So we are going to have A, it will give us minus 3 plus b times 0 is equals to 7, right? So we have minus 3a is equals to 7. So we can divide both sides by minus 3. Our a is equals to minus 7 all over 3. Now, we set b, we set s, the second s equals to what? 0. Minus 3 is equals to what? 0. So s is equals to 3. I hope you can see it from there. So we are going to have from here that same equation a s, let me write it down, s minus 3 plus b s is equals to 5 plus s. Okay, this thing is s. This s and 2 is just confusing me. Sorry, this thing is s. Okay, if it is s, that means this thing will be 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. That means this place will be 5. Sorry. Sorry. So we would have made a big mistake. So we have this plus this. So a, anywhere we see this, we put 3. So this one is automatically 0 plus 3b. That's it. Is equals to this plus this. 5 plus 3 will give us 8. So we have this is 0. So we have 3b is equals to 8. Our b is equals to what? 8 all over 3. So we have gotten a to be minus 5 over 3, then b is equals to 8 over 3, right? So we plug it in this thing, in this equation. So it will now be y of what? T, because we are bringing it back to what? Inverse Laplace what? Transform. Changing frequency domain to what? Time domain. You understand? So inverse. Laplace transform is changing time to frequency. Inverse Laplace transform is changing frequency to what? Time domain. So we are now changing this frequency to what? This is the frequency. We are now changing it to time domain. So it will now be inverse Laplace transform of our A is what? Minus 5 over 3 all over S. Then plus B is what? 8 over 3 all over S minus 3. S minus 3. So inverse Laplace transform. So this will now give us what? Y sub t is equals to, the inverse Laplace transform of this will now be, you bring this out, minus 5 over 3, then the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s, then plus, you bring this one out, 8 over 3, inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus what? 3. So y of t will now give us minus 5 over 3. The inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s is what? 1. So no need. So we are going to have plus 8 over 3, 8 over 3. Then inverse Laplace transform of this will give us exponential, because minus is here. We are going to put plus 3 what? T. I hope you can see it from there. So that is the clear solution to this question. Thanks for watching and may God bless you. We are going to solve another example, like 2 examples. Then we move over to the this thing, second order. Bye bye.